fall whispers soft and low.
Hi, I'm Candy, and this is Old Crone's Corner. This is a channel where we come together as a community of over 800, and we try to share and learn, and I try to share my wisdom. You don't have to be a crone to be here. I hope that everyone will at least give it a chance, hit that button, and, come and enjoy some time with us. There's a new schedule coming out. I will be putting out a video every single Sunday, sometimes in between, and live at least once a month so that we can get to know each other a little better. I love interacting with the community, so please don't forget to leave comments. It's really important for us to get to know each other. All you have to do is hit that button, like I said. Don't forget to like and enjoy. Just enjoy yourself. Have a good visit with us. I try to share my life, my spellcraft, my wisdom, like I said. I'm not the wisest person in the world, but I have been at this over 50 years, so I do have a lot to share. I have clients, and I often videotape the spell work for them, mainly for them to see it, but definitely to share with you. At any rate, I hope you'll join me. I will see you soon, and have a great day. Remember, you are all divine, sacred beings of light and love, and I love each and every one of you.
Wounds